Now we will study the equations of motion using the graphical method. Newton studied motion of an object and he gave the set of three equations, and these equations relate the displacement, velocity, acceleration and time. First we will derive the first equation of motion. It is also called as kinematical equation, v equal to u plus at, that shows the relation between velocity and time. So graphically how we can get this equation, let us study that. Suppose an object is moving with velocity u, and this is the first, you have to draw the graph. On x axis we will take the time and on y axis we have the velocity. The object is here and the object starts from point D. The initial velocity is u. U is the initial velocity of the object and it starts from this point D. And with increasing velocity, with increase in time, the object reaches the point B. Object reaches the point B. And so then we will see now how to calculate this velocity, this initial velocity u. What is that? Equal to OD. Initial velocity u is OD, this OD. Similarly, v is the final velocity. Object is reaching here, so that time the velocity is this. So that will be the final velocity. Now what is final velocity? OC. Final velocity v will be OC. Now we have to find the acceleration. We know acceleration is equal to rate of change of the velocity upon time. So final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. We put the values. Final velocity is OC and initial velocity is OD. So OC minus OD upon T. But this OC minus OD, what we get? CD. So it will be CD upon T. So we get A equal to CD upon T, and thus CD equal to AT. CD equal to AT. That means this CD, this distance is AT. Now after this we have to draw a parallel line to x-axis passing through the point D. Now when we draw this parallel line, it will we will get a point here A, and we draw a parallel line to y-axis passing through B, and here at the intersection we get this point A and B is there, and here where it crosses the x-axis we will get E. So now here BE, this line BE, it is equal to BA plus AE. BA plus AE. Similarly this CO, that is will be also equal to CD plus DO. Now we have the value of this CD. OC is velocity. OC is velocity. So we get V equal to CD plus DO. We have the value of CD. CD is 80. So we put this value here. Instead of CD we will write 80 plus OD. What is OD? That is initial velocity u. This will be also u. So here we put u. And so thus we get this equation as first kinematical equation, V equal to AT plus u. Or we can write it as V equal to u plus AT. V equal to u plus AT. This is first kinematical equation.